today we are going to do this art and craft activity. So, are you all ready? Show me thumbs up. So, let's start with the Santa.
Making the Santa, we will require one Santa mask, 3 red strips, 5 white strips, some glue, 1 belt cutout, 4 button cutouts and 1 ribbon. So let's begin making the chain with red and white strips alternative. So first make a round like this. Apply some glue at the edge and stick it. Next, take the white strip, apply some glue, insert the white strip from the red strip and apply some glue and stick it. Repeat this for completing the chain. So repeat this with alternative red and white strips. Keep doing till we finish it. Yes. Keep repeating it. We'll keep this. The complete chain, white strips at the beginning, then red, white, red, white, red, white, continue. Now let's stick the mask at the top of the white ribbon. First white ribbon. Apply some glue and stick the mask. Now we'll stick the buttons on the first red strip. Just like this. In the center, we'll stick the belt cutout. Apply some glue and stick it in the center. Then next 2 button cutouts at the end of the next 2 button cutouts on the last third red strip. We'll take a ribbon and put it in the first white strip like this and make a loop. You can make a loop and hang it anywhere.